everyone, minasan konnichiwa.
Welcome to our channel Bye Basha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalvali.
For more easy recipes, do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the
Bell icon. We received a lot of requests to make a ramen recipe video. So today we are finally making our version of a vegan shio ramen.
Watch the video till the end. Without any further delay,
Let's get started.
Boil some water in a saucepan for the noodles. Finely chop 1 small piece of ginger, 1 clove garlic, quarter of an onion and some spring onion. Take another saucepan and heat it. We'll be making the stock. In it, add half tablespoon oil. We are using olive oil. Next, add the chopped green onion, garlic, onion and ginger. Mix well and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 to 3 sliced shiitake mushrooms. You can use any other variety of mushrooms as well. Next, add about 10 grams of kombu and add 2 cups of water. Add a generous amount of salt and cover and cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. So kombu is a variety of seaweed, 100% vegetarian and vegan, which is widely used in East Asian cuisine. It is extensively used in making soup stocks in Japan. You can get it in any Asian stores or check for it online. Although we really recommend using it, if you are unable to find it, you can try this recipe without kombu as well. It's been about 8 minutes and your stock is ready. Now take out the kombu from the stock. Do not throw it right away as you can reuse it again. In the meanwhile, our water has come to a boil. Add 1 portion noodles to it and let them cook well. Follow the package instructions while cooking and remember to stir occasionally while loosening the noodles. In a ramen bowl, add a pinch of rock salt. Normal salt will also do. Next, add 1 teaspoon cooking sake, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. As we want our ramen to be a bit spicy, we are using chili oil instead. Lastly, add about 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Now pour the prepared stock in the bowl. Strain the water from the noodles and add the noodles to the bowl. Mix lightly. For garnishing, add some chopped spring onion, bean sprouts and cabbage. You could add your favorite veggies according to your preference. Egg eaters can add boiled egg as well. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.
There are a lot of varieties of ramen and we plan to make as many as possible and share them with you.
So stay tuned for the upcoming ramen recipe videos. Also, subscribe to our channel for instant updates and follow us on Instagram.
Please like, share and comment if you like our recipe. Also send us your suggestions in the comments below or also DM us on Instagram.
All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.